Welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily save a frame from any video in Google Chrome. Instead of taking a traditional screenshot every time you want to capture a specific moment from a video, Chrome offers a more efficient way to save a video frame directly. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, open Google Chrome. Here, I already have a video loaded. Now, let's say I want to save this specific frame of the video. Instead of capturing a screenshot, we can use Chrome's built-in feature to save it as an image. To do this, right-click on the video. A menu of options will appear. Ignore this first menu and right-click again on the video. This will bring up Chrome's default browser menu. In this menu, look for the Save Video Frame As option and click on it. Now, you'll see a Save dialog box. You can choose the location where you want to save the image. Rename the file. The image will be saved in PNG format. This is the only option available. Click Save and the selected video frame will be saved to your device. To confirm, you can open the saved file, and as you can see, the specific frame has been extracted and saved as a clear image. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a great day.